ChatGPT is a state-of-the-art language model developed by OpenAI. It can understand and generate human-like text, making it incredibly versatile and valuable for various applications. The good news is that using ChatGPT is relatively easy, and I'll walk you through everything you need to know to get started with this powerful AI language model. Whether you're a content creator, business owner, or just curious about AI, this video is for you. First step is to create an account. Go to the official website of the platform you'll be using. In this tutorial, we'll use OpenAI as an example. Look for a Sign Up button and click on it. You'll be directed to a registration page. On the registration page, you'll typically be asked for some basic information. This might include your name, email address, and a password. Be sure to use a strong and secure password. Some platforms may require email verification. Check your email for a verification link and click on it to confirm your email address. Now that you've created your ChatGPT account, let's dive into the exciting part, using this AI model to generate content, answer questions, and more. Once you're logged in, you'll typically be directed to the ChatGPT interface. This is where you can interact with the AI model. In the chat interface, you can start typing your questions or prompts. ChatGPT can assist you with a wide range of tasks, from generating text to answering queries, offering suggestions, and even assisting in code writing. As you type your queries or prompts, ChatGPT will generate responses in real time. You can continue the conversation by responding to the AI's output. After receiving responses, it's essential to review and refine the content if needed. While ChatGPT is powerful, your guidance is key to achieving the desired results. Many platforms or interfaces provide a library of ready-made prompts. These prompts are designed to address specific use cases. Let's search for some prompts. For example, write "Best prompts for ChatGPT" in search browser. Let's try this one. As you can see, there are a lot of specific prompts for various fields. Let's try some of them in ChatGPT. After sending the prompt to ChatGPT, review the response generated by the AI. While ready prompts are useful, you can often customize them to suit your specific requirements. You can add additional context or details to make the prompt more relevant to your task. As you use prompts and interact with ChatGPT, you'll gain insights into which prompts are most effective for specific tasks. Take note of what works best for you and your content creation process. Challenge ChatGPT with a variety of queries and prompts. Ask questions, generate content, and explore different use cases. The more you experiment, the more you'll discover the AI's capabilities. With regular practice, you'll become more confident in your ability to interact with ChatGPT and unlock its full potential. Now I'll make a description for this video I'm making right now. Once you're satisfied with the content generated, you can export it, copy it, or use it as you see fit, whether it's for a blog post, social media content, or any other purpose. That's it. Fast and simple tutorial on how to use ChatGPT. Thank you for UT time. If you have questions or specific topics you'd like to see in the future videos, please share your thoughts in the comments below. Tell us what you will use ChatGPT for in the near future. Have fun.